10 uses and benefits of activated charcoal. Unless you've been living under a rock, you've surely heard of activated charcoal by now. What's all the buzz about? It might seem like the latest health fad, yet this black powder has been around for centuries, quietly working its magic. From ancient Egyptian doctors to modern-day emergency rooms, activated charcoal has earned its place as a powerful, versatile agent. As a matter of fact, this natural substance works wonders, from improving your health to making your home a cleaner place. Here are 10 common problems that activated charcoal can help you solve. Number 1. Bloating and gas relief. We've all experienced it. That uncomfortable bloating that makes your jeans feel a size too small, or that embarrassing gas that shows up at the worst possible moment. Activated charcoal could be the quick fix you need. Simply take some in capsule form after any meals that tend to cause trouble, and you'll want to follow up with a full glass of water to help it move smoothly through your system. The best part? Unlike many over-the-counter remedies, activated charcoal doesn't just mask the problem, it addresses the root cause by binding to the gas itself, helping you feel lighter and more comfortable in no time. Number 2. Teeth whitening. Just about everyone wants a bright, white smile. But with all the coffee, tea, and red wine in our diets, keeping teeth pearly white can be a challenge. Guess what? Activated charcoal's porous structure allows it to bind to surface stains, effectively lifting them away. And it's as easy as brushing your teeth. You can find toothpaste that already contains it, or you can make your own by mixing the powder with a bit of water. Brush gently for about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 times a week, and be sure to rinse well afterward. While it might look a bit shocking to see your mouth covered in black, the result is worth it. Your teeth will feel cleaner, and over time, you'll notice a wider, brighter smile. Number 3. Body odor prevention. Let's face it, nobody wants to be that person with body odor. Thankfully, activated charcoal can help keep you smelling fresh by adsorbing sweat and odor-causing bacteria. It's a natural alternative to chemical-laden deodorants, and it's especially useful for those with sensitive skin. You can find activated charcoal in many natural deodorants, or you can make your own at home. Mix 1 teaspoon of activated charcoal powder with 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 2.5 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil, and you've got a simple, effective deodorant that's free of harmful chemicals. Apply a small amount to your underarms each morning, and you're good to go. Number 4. Skincare and acne treatment. Activated charcoal is also a fantastic addition to your skincare routine, especially if you struggle with oily or acne-prone skin. The same properties that make it effective at trapping toxins and impurities in the gut work wonders on the skin as well. By drawing out dirt, oil, and other impurities from your pores, activated charcoal can help prevent breakouts and keep your skin looking clear and fresh. Adding activated charcoal to your skincare routine is easy. You can find it in a range of products, from facial masks to cleansers and soaps. For a DIY approach, mix the activated charcoal powder with a bit of water or aloe vera gel to create a purifying face mask. Apply the mask, let it dry, and then rinse off with warm water. Your skin will feel deeply cleansed and refreshed, with less oil and fewer blemishes. Use it once or twice a week, and you'll start to see the difference in your complexion. Number 5. Lowering cholesterol levels. High cholesterol is a concern for many, but did you know that activated charcoal might help? Some studies suggest that it can lower cholesterol levels by binding to bile acids in your gut. This process forces your body to use more cholesterol to produce new bile acids, thereby reducing the amount of cholesterol circulating in your bloodstream. Now, if you're considering using activated charcoal to manage your cholesterol, it's important to do so under the guidance of a healthcare provider. The typical regimen involves taking charcoal supplements several hours before or after meals to avoid interfering with nutrient absorption. While more research is needed to confirm its effectiveness, adding activated charcoal to your cholesterol-lowering strategy could be a step in the right direction. Number 6. Improve kidney function. Your kidneys work tirelessly to filter out toxins and waste from your blood, but sometimes they need a little help. Activated charcoal has been studied for its potential to improve kidney function, particularly in individuals with chronic kidney disease. By binding to urea and other waste products in the gut, activated charcoal can help reduce the workload on your kidneys, allowing them to function more efficiently. If you're considering activated charcoal to support your kidney health, be sure to consult with your healthcare provider first. It's typically taken in supplement form, and the dosage will vary depending on your individual needs and health status. Number 7. Hangover prevention. Hangovers are the body's way of reminding us that we might have overdone it, but activated charcoal can help mitigate the fallout. While it doesn't absorb alcohol itself, activated charcoal can bind to the congeners. These are the impurities produced during the fermentation process that contribute to hangover symptoms. By reducing these toxins in your system, activated charcoal can help you feel better, faster. For hangover prevention, take activated charcoal either before you start drinking or immediately afterward. The earlier you take it, the better it can help prevent those dreaded morning after symptoms. Of course, remember to drink plenty of water, as staying hydrated is a must when you're consuming alcohol. Number 8. Air purification. We spend a lot of time indoors, so the quality of the air we breathe is important. Unfortunately, indoor air can be filled with pollutants, allergens, and unpleasant odors. Activated charcoal is a powerful air purifier that can help you breathe more easily by trapping these contaminants. Unlike air fresheners that simply mask odors, activated charcoal actually absorbs them, leaving your home smelling clean and fresh. You can find charcoal bags that you can place in closets, bathrooms, or any space that could use a little freshening up. These bags are reusable and can last for several months. For a more comprehensive solution, consider investing in an air purifier with an activated charcoal filter. These devices pull in dirty air, pass it through the charcoal filter, and release clean air back into the room, improving the overall air quality in your home. Number 9. Water filtration. Did you know that activated charcoal is a key component in many water filtration systems? That's because of its ability to adsorb contaminants and improve the taste and safety of your water. Whether you're using it for drinking, cooking, or bathing, filtered water is a simple way to reduce your exposure to harmful substances. If you're serious about improving your water quality, consider using a filter that includes activated charcoal. These filters are available in various forms, from pitcher inserts to faucet attachments, and even whole house systems. They're easy to install and maintain, and they can make a significant difference in the taste and purity of your water. Number 10. Mold cleansing. Mold can be a nightmare for homeowners, not just because of the damage it causes, but also because of the health risks it poses. Activated charcoal can be a valuable tool in the fight against mold, thanks to its ability to adsorb moisture and neutralize mold spores. You can place charcoal bags or containers in areas prone to mold growth, such as basements, bathrooms, or kitchens. For more direct treatment, mix the activated charcoal powder with water to create a paste and apply it to moldy surfaces. Let it sit for a few hours before scrubbing it off to help remove the mold and prevent it from returning. There you have it, from improving your health to enhancing your beauty routine and keeping your living space clean and fresh. Activated charcoal offers solutions that are both simple and effective. With so many benefits, it's time to let it work its magic in your life. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a like and share it with your friends and family, as it helps us produce more valuable content. To stay up to date with our latest videos, remember to hit the subscribe button and enable notifications so you never miss out on any future content.